We are seeing some of that brutal heat today here, Bill.
Oh, truth be told, and here's the thing, second heat wave of spring. So we're not even in summer yet. We still have July and August and even September. Remember, the highest temperature we ever recorded in this city was in September.
Wow.
So I mean, it just gets scary.
Even the beginning of October, we're still feeling all that heat then.
Oh yeah, it'll last until fall sometimes, So yeah, this is an early start. Hopefully that means an early exit and doesn't mean that we're going to see crazy heat in the summer months. But again, we're still weeks away from the beginning of summer and we're dealing with it. Now, I want to start with the haze because once again, we're pretty locked in. This agricultural burn continues to our south and it's still affecting our air quality somewhat. I'll say that somewhat because even though it looks like haze, we're still moderate on the read. So that's good news. Victoria, no change from yesterday. Good air quality there. The only good reading in the area. But deep South Texas, Brownsville, unhealthy for sensitive groups. One thing's for sure, this air is hot. It might be moderate on air quality, but it's excessive on heat. 100, feels like 112 in the city, and that's off the dew point of 73, pretty tropical air mass. South and southeast wind about 13. So if you're heading out this evening, expect the triple-digit heat to last until probably 6 p.m. Then we fall to the upper 90s. And then we finally get to our average high this time of year at 9 p.m., 91. Feels like 114 at Pleasanton, Pearsall, Cotulla. How about 117 when you're out the door in Seguin, 118 when you step outside in New Braunfels. So that's why there's an excessive heat warning. What's odd is that New Braunfels not included. Comal County's under the heat advisory, but Seguin the excessive heat warning. With a handful of counties, I think we see this again tomorrow. So please keep in mind the reason why it feels so much more miserable in this heat. Your body's nearly 70% water, so you're evaporating water. And when you've got so much water in the air, dew points in the mid 70s, you're not evaporating as effectively. And so it feels slimy and grimy and, it's swampy air. That's what happens when you can't cool as efficiently as you should. Big thunderstorms. Look at this. Across central Louisiana, dropping in near Baton Rouge. These storms got started up in northeast Texas, came right down Sabine Pass, and now through northwest Louisiana and dropping into Baton Rouge with severe weather for tonight. We're going to stay dry because of high pressure. This high is going to dominate our weather pattern for the next several days, so the heat stays in place right on through the weekend. What we could see, a couple of dry line storms, maybe out to the west, but we're not expecting those to move up into San Antonio. I'm only going to put in a 20% chance, maybe over the next couple of afternoons and evenings. Not tonight. We'll go to 98 tomorrow. 7-day forecast will show you upper 90s through Thursday. And these chances, again, only 20%. Skies will stay partly to mostly sunny. Over the weekend, 98 to 99. So please remember, hydrate up and sunscreen. And make sure you're reapplying that sunscreen, Audrey.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks, Bill. And the